YouTube. Start another week. Lads are just loading up now, got panels on to go back to Sheffield. We just need a bit of time, I'm going to nip round and get some builders merchants. Should be all finished today. Carl's going to go over to quarters and pick a load of gates up we've got there for jobs this week. And then he's going to meet them out there. He's just doing a bit of a plate that he's going to modify the sliding gate sort of lock thing so he can fit another handle on it. I've got a big delivery on its way for some other jobs coming up. That's delivery sleeve there. Got some mesh posts, some palisade, some panels. I'll get it all organised now and jobs that we've got, try and get them in order that we need them.
One of his final updates from job in Sheffield. Pretty much buttoned up now, just some final tiny minor bits to finish. But as you can see, we finished that run. Just finishing palisade now. Had to be like a mountain goat for this one. You can't really tell on video how steep it is, but it's pretty steep, but you know how it is, we get it done. But it looks pretty good, to be fair. Basically we went for palisade on here just with it being so steep. We did put it to the customer that we could do it in the prism mesh, but with it being so steep, it would have been in so many sections, it would have been practically all posts. So we went through it with him and he said they were happy for it to be palisade, as it probably looked a bit cleaner, which I think it does look pretty well, to be fair. As you can see, for us eagle-eyed viewers, I'm aware that there's two missing down there. That's so I can get back through after I've done this video, so don't worry, it will be finished by end. Just some snapping off to do, and then I'll have a quick wander out front and I'll show you the gate that we've installed. Just a quick glance at the gate that we've installed. As you can see, she's quite a beast. It's looking well though. All the mesh fencing's finished off, so the run back fencing and the fencing on the other side. But yeah, it's looking well, to be honest. We've added a couple of our own tweaks to this gate because it's not actually an automated gate, it is just a hand operated gate. It's quite a good size gate, so we've added these handles ourselves, which it was quite tough to open just with handle that were provided. But it's not actually that bad to move, to be fair, especially once you get it going, it moves fairly easy. And then we've just added two strengtheners to receiver post. This receiver it's actually made out of aluminium, so it had a bit of wobble in it. And it didn't actually sit in the latch as lovely as we'd have liked it to. So we've added these strengtheners to it, so it takes the wobble out of the post and it's miles better now. But yeah, looks nice and neat, super happy with it, customers happy, that's the main thing.
Good morning, YouTube. Tuesday. Been that busy this morning. I've been here 2.5 hours and I haven't even got a video yet. But, the first stop I got lads loaded up in Pan. They're just starting a job around at Cavendish. Local for once. We haven't been local for about a month. We've been in Manchester, Sheffield, Linthwaite, everything over an hour away. This one's literally 5-10 minutes around the corner, so it's nice. Oh, I've just forgotten. I'm filling water tubs here, look. Water tubs from that one over there. And I'm flooding place, look. Crikey. They're full. I've done 4. I keep forgetting it. We're going to get these done while I'm waiting. Carl's took lads because he went to view this again other day when he, well, other week went before he measured gates and made them. So he knows the job well, so he's took them round there. delivery of more post mix this morning, because we've been want price, like everything else at the minute, is going to the roof. Thought I'd get a few stocked up while I can. A couple of deliveries yesterday, more or less. Got a few jobs coming up in holidays which start next week, so fairly busy. What I'm going to do is do a scrap run as well. Might have time later this week, or Carl probably will. We picked up the gates yesterday. They've already took a double set for Cavendish. They've took the post, but the single is there. And these are for other little jobs we've got coming up. That big one at the bottom's a 3 metre one that we've already done. So we've got to do that, and for life of me can't think where that one's for right now, but yeah.
Quick video just to show what we've been doing at Cavendish School. Nice and local job. It's just been a quick day and a half job list, so not too bad. Basically we've just fit these double gates and a single leaf gate on path, and then just run twin mesh just round just to block off this area. Basically it's just to stop kids from going any higher up drive, and it means that they can have this gate open and they can freely go on that field whenever they want. A little bit of a tricky one with it being on such an angle, but we've figured it out. Post height were a bit complicated to work out, but we've done it, and as you can see it looks well.
Good morning. Oh, better day today, look at that. Sun shining. We've just got lads load 2 jobs on today. First is panels there over at Wakefield, Crofton Academy. Some replacement of some fencing they've got, and then other job is that 3 metre high gate there with a flyover that Carl's going to nip up with a panel for them when they get back. What did you get yesterday, Carl? Oh yeah, some
half-inch quick release coupling.
hydraulic fittings, because our old one had a big fat one on. 3/4. We needed an 1/2 inch for our new digger, so he's going to get them on Pecker, which is under there. So we might need it tomorrow, but I'm absolutely heartbroken because Carl's going to have a go at digger before me, so I'm not happy at all. Thinking originally, oh, I'll come on site, I'll pick it out, these gates we've got to replace.
Is that me running round for fittings?
Yeah.
Thinking we're gonna,
I know, well, I was all giddy thinking we were having first out in it, and then Carl burst my bubble by saying, no, you won't be there, you've got year end with your accountant. I saw, bloody hell. So, nightmare. My brother should be here soon. I ain't seen him for a few weeks because we've been that busy. Get my marketing back on track. I'll have a half an hour with him, might have to leave him to it, and then me and Carl have got 3 jobs to see. One that we're doing next week, but it was months and months ago when we saw it, so I just want to make sure it's been trimmed and everything as we agreed before we get there by the school, which I bet it hasn't. And then just see his best plan of attack and access arrangements, stuff like that, whether we need to take a van or digger or whatever. From there, another job we've got coming up in Bingley. Carl hasn't seen this one, so I'll show him that so he knows what it is. And then from there I had another text from sister school to the one in Keighley in Bradford. Can you call in today? We've got some fencing that needs required, so we might as well call in there on his way back, and then I'll get back and finish the day with my brother, and Carl can go take panel and everything to the lads. So yeah, busy.
Crofton School in sunny Wakefield today. Just doing a quick run of V-mesh just along this wall here. Just a long wall to end, and then just going to tie it back to that fence. Just a bit worried with wall being here and that fence being quite low that people could climb over or whatever, so we're just going to box this wall in along here. Shouldn't be too big of a job. We've already started, but luckily Bagger reminded me to do a quick video before we got any further, but I'll do a quick update once we're done. Just a little follow on from his earlier video, all done and dusted. Nice easy job to start the day. Looks well, to be fair. With that caretaker out, he's more than happy with it. Try to run it as level as we could. Little bit of a compromise on this end panel, just because ground drops away, so further up we had it for it to be perfectly level. Obviously bigger gap that we're underneath, but we've had caretaker out and he's happy with where it is, so we've just put that post in, just a bit of extra support for that panel. He said if it becomes a problem, he's got a little bit more mesh and he can fill that gap in. But other than that, all done and dusted, looks well.
Friday already. Couple of them, got that to do, and then a single at a school. This is a community centre, and that's at a school. Carl's loaded up, he's got a full scrap on back, he's going to take to metal recycling place. Meanwood they're going, and then Leeds 17 I think it is.
Friday, these eager beavers had set off working before I got to touch them. These gates were all damaged by bin wagons. We've just pulled that straight away. That way, there were like an in piece had been welded in here, so even if we'd have fit as new gates, they would look wonky with this fencing solid. So we've just dragged that with us. So we should be able to tie on nice and square. As new opening is literally just outside of the tarmac either side. So it'll be better for them, we'll update you.
I've just called over to see lads. These gates are a bit garish. I would have guessed to this colour, but that's what it costs. Luckily, it costs them. I don't mind to keep getting hit, so it's probably going to help them out. Bin wagon keeps hitting them, so it's probably better a bit brighter. Flipping heck. Huh?
What? Perfect.
Yeah, just hope they don't drop though.
99 mil.
We'll pick them up with it.
Yeah. But yeah, they're nearly in now. No tipping.
Just a quick update from Meanwood. Just fit these double palisade gates. Had customer ouches over at Meanwood with them, to be fair. Lovely job. They were all bent. I believe bin wagon ran into them previously, but as you can see in this green, they shouldn't miss them this time. We have made them a smidge wider, so opening's even easier to get in. So they should have no excuse this time, but I think it looks well. Pretty chuffed with them. So on to the next one.
Afternoon, YouTube. It's gone nice again now, sun's out. I never got any chance to get any footage over at Sherburn there. Client were with us every 2 minutes. Yeah, massive place that they're taking over there. Would you think there were that much money in selling musical instruments, guitars and whatnot? PLC company, he said. I think he said that was a 5th or 6th warehouse that they've got. Flipping just the size of this one. Lads have just gone actually. Carl's shooting off to get his haircut. It's their Lily's birthday. She's 3 today. Happy birthday, Lily. So yeah, I shall call it here. I'm just doing some invoicing and stuff now, and getting some prices for the job we've just beaten her, because things have changed a bit. So yeah, I'll call it here. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up or try that new hype button, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Have a good weekend. See ya.